Mic check, 1 to 1. This is the BowieMA10 Pro. Just doing a sound check on the earbuds. This is how it would sound like if it was in a phone call. And I think they sound pretty good for the price, to be honest with you. And yeah, so like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think of them. Thank you for watching. Take care.